Hello, I hope you're doing well and enjoying your day. Today I'm going to be making a puncher paper art for you. I'm writing something in Arabic that's from our Quran, and I'm not going to tell you what it is because I want to see if you know what it says. So lately I've been really getting into puncher paper art, to write things. So I've been writing in English or in Farsi, and in Arabic. So I wanted to see what you thought about it. How do you like it? This time I used paper and faded it from the different colors. I'm kind of having fun. I'm really having fun with it, actually. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Sometimes when I do it, I do like each word in one color. Today, this one, I'm just fading it. I noticed that the red actually doesn't go so well after the brownish amber, but it's okay. It's art, right? So there's no right or wrong way when you're making art for anyone, right? It's just like the feeling that you feel inside while you make the art, that's what's important. You know, what you create really doesn't matter because everything we make, it turns out beautiful. So this is my final piece and I have it up on the wall. I also made another one, this one, and this is also on the wall. Let me know what they say.